our system detected that one of your students is not getting enough playtime. Now, if your student is not engaging with the system, it typically boils down to one or two different reasons. And we're gonna help you coach your student through those reasons right now. The first reason that we might see students stop playing is that they're not finding the puzzles challenging. This may sound like it's boring or it's repetitive, or they're saying all the games look the same to me. Now, it may be that they exited the placement exam early, or it may be that one of the subjects was just review for them and they're ready to move on. Regardless, the fastest way to get them to more challenging puzzles is to take any subject that they're finding not challenging and setting it to test out mode. We will then ask the most challenging questions to ensure the student does understand the subject, and we'll start looking for their new level. The other side of the same coin is if the student is becoming frustrated or finds the puzzles too challenging. The reason this may happen is if the placement exam starting point was ahead of the student's level. Don't worry, this happens from time to time, and if this is what happened, it's good that you caught it now. From the Manage Account screen, go to the student and click Change Assignment. Choose a placement exam that starts behind your student's level so that it's catching up to them. If you don't know what to set it to, you can always set it to first grade exam. That will test them from the beginning of our curriculum, and it will ensure that we find their level. The worksheets in our system were created to help facilitate more game usage. Many parents give their students extra math worksheets to do outside of our system. And so, offering a choice between playing the games and doing extra worksheets should have the effect of the student choosing to play the games. Provide the option and be willing to back it up by printing out the worksheets. As always, we are here to help, and so if the situation does not resolve, let us know and we can look at the data and advise.